Set up online lead capture forms. Welcome to Salesmate's web forms, where capturing leads and customer information becomes seamless and efficient. Let's explore how these customizable forms can revolutionize your CRM experience. With Salesmate, creating your online lead capture forms is a breeze. Let's dive into the process. To create your first form, access the Forms section from the left sidebar of your Salesmate dashboard. And click on Create Your First Form. Our web forms are designed with flexibility in mind. From the layout to the fields, everything is customizable to suit your unique needs. Let's begin with the form category by adding the form title and description to introduce your form. A new form gets created with basic fields such as name, email, and mobile number. Need to gather more than just the basics? No problem. With Salesmate, you can add a variety of fields, from drop-down menus to checkboxes, to capture exactly what you need. Next, let's explore the Options tab. Here, you can fine-tune how your form behaves after submission. Whether it's displaying a custom message or redirecting to a specific page, the choice is yours. You can choose who gets email notifications for form submissions and decide whether to create new records or merge duplicates. Ensure compliance by sharing privacy policy with visitors and capturing required communication consents while they will be filling up this form. Now, let's talk aesthetics. With Salesmate's styling options, you can ensure your form seamlessly blends with your website's design language. From fonts to background colors, every detail is customizable. Once you have finished creating your form, you can decide whether to save it as a draft or publish it right away. If you choose to publish it, you can either embed the form on your website or share the form URL via email to gather the information you need from your potential clients. Please visit our support documentation to learn more about forms and how they can be used to capture UTM parameters to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Additionally, you can learn how forms can be used in conjunction with page tracking to identify your website visitors and track their actions on your site. With Salesmate's web forms, capturing leads and customer information has never been easier. Thank you for choosing Salesmate to fuel your business growth.